Another video on seafood sticks because I bought 2 packets, so I've got another one to use up. They're cheap. They're £1 for 250 grams, which is about the cheapest form of fish you're going to find. They're alright. They're alright. There's lots of things in them. They're very tasty, and that's probably because they've got lots of flavour enhancers in them. So I was kind of thinking, could we do like a crab linguine? Because there used to be crab sticks when I was a kid, but then there was no crab in them, so they can't call them crab sticks anymore. So can we do a crab kind of linguine, but with seafood sticks instead of crab? And I've got some leftover tomato sauce. What we're going on is we're doing 250 grams worth of pasta. So that's, I suppose if we did 300 grams, that'd be 2 portions. So 300 grams would be 2 portions. That'd be a bit better. Cooked it, drained it, got a little bit of the pasta water in there, so it's just finishing off. It's just about ready. Yeah, it's ready. So about 200 grams worth of tomato sauce in there. That should be enough. Actually, don't we want some pepper in there? I'm not going to put in chilli in. That would normally go into a crab linguine, and I'm actually using spaghetti. So it's certainly not crab linguine, but in the stretch of imagination. So sauce in, and then move around. You know, I'd really like to put some cheese in, but you're not supposed to mix your fish with cheese. Although, you know, if you're cooking fish and you're using cream or you're using butter, I can't see why you can't use cheese. But anyway, so sauce in, and then that'll coat the pasta. We'll give it a taste. If I was putting cheese in, I'd put the cheese in before the sauce. Need some more salt. Yeah, so I put the cheese in, turn the heat off, put the cheese in, mix that around so the pasta was coated in the cheese, and then I put the tomatoes in, and then I put the fish in. So move that around, and then we don't want to move around this around too much, and then we've got 100 grams worth of the fish sticks, and we'll see what this is like. So it might shred up a bit. You know, but I think it's a cheap ingredient, and I like it, you know, just because you can't afford expensive food doesn't mean you can't eat well, and you can't use the same methods that we use in more expensive dishes but with cheaper ingredients. Maybe we should have broken them up a bit. See, they would have broken out, so that would have been more. Yeah, I should have done that. We live and learn, don't we? Let's mix those around a bit. We could call it fake crab linguine. Fake because we're not using linguine, and fake because we're not using crab. So let's give it a taste and see what we think. Well, I think it'd be nice. Turn the heat off. The fish, you know, the taste of the fish sticks. I'm not going to deny it. I'm not going to deny it. They're very tasty. I don't think they're particularly very good for you, but they're very tasty. I need a bit of crab as well, don't I? Well, crab. Do you know what? That's surprisingly good. That is surprisingly good. Pretty cheap as well. Anyway, so that's a success, isn't it?